Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we're offering here is like a 74 to 75 Z1 tank. If you look right here real close, there's some pitting on the cap. Not bad, but there's pitting on the cap. Open up the cap. If you look at this angle right here, you can see that when it was painted, they got primer or paint on the inside. So really, either gonna have to run a fuel filter or clean the paint out. And they got a little bit of paint around the lid here, so that needs to be cleaned out if you don't want paint coming in your engine or your carburetors. Okay, so the emblems look good. I don't see any dents. The paint is marginal. I mean, paint be all right for an everyday rider. But here's the bottom side, obviously the Z1, factory Z1 tank. I don't know if we've not tested it for leaks or anything like that. We kind of sell it as is, but it doesn't appear that it leaks. But the structure is very, very nice. And we're going to be offering this on our webpage. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.